Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Planet Love. Yeah, where we raise the vibe of the planet. But you know what? What's the best way to raise the vibe of love, of your surroundings, right? It's to raise your own vibe of love. And you know why I'm telling you? Always to raise your own vibe of love, because it can actually lead to dire consequences in your life. One of the most important ones being, अगर मैं एक word में बोलूँ ना, तो it is ego death. Well, I can tell you 100 things under this whole umbrella of ego death. Yeah, the consequences, lack of self-love over a long time period. If you lived your life in the lack of love for yourself, this can lead you to multiple serious things ultimately happening in your life, especially midlife crisis. And what you actually think is midlife crisis is but the death of ego. Because आप कब तक जियोगे भाई बिना प्यार के? या और जो लोग खुद से प्यार नहीं करते ना, उनको कभी भी किसी भी फॉर्म में सच्चा प्यार नहीं मिलता. ये फैक्ट है, राइट? सो व्हाट हैपन्स वंस दैट लव विद इन यू इज ऑल्सो ओवर, राइट? सो व्हाट डू वी डू? ओवर ड्राइव में लोगों को प्यार देते रहते, क्योंकि हम बहुत प्यारे इंसान हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि कोई हमें भी प्यार करे. या वेदर in the form of friends, family, people at workplaces or even in the community. But क्या होता है जब हम authentic नहीं होते और खुद से प्यार नहीं करते, so those things don't come to us, and there comes a point in life where the well becomes absolutely dry, a point where you say, I am damn saturated Vasudha, I just don't feel up to it Vasudha, मैं किसी के लिए कुछ नहीं करना चाहता, मैं अपने लिए जीना चाहता हूँ. वसुधा मुझे क्यों बैठे बैठे रोना आ जाता है? You know why? Because you're going through crumbling of something, and that's nothing but your ego's death. And let me share with you, I have put, like I said, there are hundreds of things under this umbrella, but I'm going to talk only about 10 right now. Okay, so I'm going to tell you 10 things. If these are happening with you, you are undergoing midlife crisis, you are undergoing ego death, and it's high time you start taking care of yourself, right? So let me tell you those. The very first one being, you start to see your own bullshit. Sorry YouTube, but yes, you start to see your own BS, right? Number 2, when you start to feel that people are distancing themselves from you. Number 3, you realize that no one really wants to hear what you have to say. You actually feel everybody has turned their backs to you. No one's got their faces towards you so that you can talk to them, right? Number 4, your current life starts to crumble in every whichever way, be it your professional life, your personal life, and even the health. Yes. Number 5, you start literally feeling sick of everyone and everything around you. That's the result of inauthenticity. You were not being real, and you collected all those people around you, or I may say, you made a fortress, a fort of false people and things around you, right? Number 6, the more you try to hold on to these people, see, you have already seen through the BS, but you will still try to hold on to these people, yeah, even after seeing the truth. And then what will happen? You will try to hold on to these people, these things and these habits from the past, because you think ये नहीं होगा तो मेरा क्या होगा? बेबी आपका कुछ नहीं होगा, आपका पहले भी कुछ नहीं हो रहा और अब भी कुछ नहीं होगा, right? Because you know why? These people are going to push you away, because they know you don't love them, You are just needy, right? Number 7, you cannot figure out what to do. But that's a lie. Let me tell you the truth. You know, your soul knows, your heart knows what to do. Number 8, you start to wonder, why me? And number 9, you start to find the answers. Why me? Yes, you know now why you. You know all the stupid things you've been doing to bring you here. Number 10, you actually see through your BS more clearly with each rejection and with each tumble down, right? And you now really want to change yourself, your life, and even want to replace people around you. Yeah, but you know what? That change will begin with you, right? So if you are also going through the ego death and you're finding it difficult, or you think you're going off balance, then please let me know. You know why? Because I am also going through the same journey. Yeah, and I do care. Till then, take care. I will see you in the next episode. Yeah, start to love yourself and raise the vibe of planet love.